And now, ladies and gentlemen, another test run, but probably the first that will be published on YouTube. It is 5:16 on Wednesday, January 25th, and I present unto you my wonderful device, the Railway Star. Unfortunately, it does not have any power reverse yet, but it does couple to my other equipment. That's saying something. Aren't tight on it yet. Now we charge up the mountain of challenge. It's only got one-wheel drive. Didn't hit the cart. So, how's this? Actually, while we're here, how about we go this side and look at the wheel slip? Now let me channel my inner mid-20-teens Tweetsy Railroad engineer and do some good old-fashioned slips. I wanted to be silly, so I leaned too far to the wrong side. No Sanders, too. I'm so fancy. What is this, like a 6% grade? Pulling a something 100-pound payload? The wheels are the heaviest thing on the side. Slow down and fire train. So, this was originally a tricycle, I believe, that I got Goodwill. Electric one, I think it's got 2 gears on it. So, it's now in its Railway Star form. But it is my hope, America, to within the next week or two also make it a tricycle again, have some spare bicycle parts, so it can be a Highway Star and a Railway Star. Whoa, look at me and my Deep Purple references. Alright, how's that? Impressive? Does that make up for my failures? Does that make up for the Salute a Grade video? I don't know. Alright, you may go in, you may go home, you may switch to a different video. I'm going to just play with my train some more. Look at the coupler on it, ain't that pretty? Look at that craftsmanship. The wheels aren't even bolted onto it yet, proper. Ain't that pretty?